So hello everyone, welcome back to another class of NSSB CSRE. So today I just want Guru general knowledge. Last class we have completed general knowledge, English, our computer to first mock test completion, and now we'll be starting again general knowledge. A revision process so help you with your NSSB exam revision for revision purposes. And in the next class I'll be uploading the aptitude also mock test for aptitude, so stay tuned. So let us start with the general knowledge. शुरू करते हैं. First question: who among the following leaders founded the revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat Society? Abhinav Bharat Society to कौन शुरू करे? Is it A. Bhagat Singh, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Barindra Kumar Ghosh, or Pulin Bihari? So the answer is V.D. Savarkar, that is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Next, question number 2. Consider the following statement with respect to the early Vedic period. So Vedic period early times the Vedic society, Rig Vedic society was patriarchal and the basic unit of the society was Graham. Number 1. Next, during the Vedic period, child marriage was prevalent. Number 3. During the Rig Vedic period, the practice of sati was absent. So which of the following is correct? So during the early Vedic period, the society the patriarchal in nature. So 1 is correct. During the Rig Vedic period, child marriage was prevalent. Idu child marriage to later Vedic period they start with it. During the time of Gupta Devi, bishi prevalent. So 2 is wrong. Sati was also absent. Idu be direction. Absent sati means sati dike jikli to moto more namne maki bi udu juide jam gona morule itu practice to thakane. So 1 and 3 is correct. So the answer is both 1 and 3. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question. Match the following pairs by day: Pravasi Bharati Divas, Kisan Divas, Rashtra Ekta Divas, and Kargil Vijay Divas. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, that is NRI Day though, 9th of January, that is itu kita Mahatma Gandhi India de ala from South Africa. Itu dindo Bharatiya Pravasi Bharatiya Divas made. Next, Kisan Divas means farmer la day though is on 23rd of December. That is number D. Rashtriya Ekta Divas though 31st of October. That is number 3. And Kargil Divas though Kargil War anniversary it is at 26th of July. So it is 4-3-1-2, that is C D A B. That is option number A is the correct answer. Next question. The subsection C in the list of fundamental duties requires an Indian citizen to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and touch of India. So sovereignty as a unity as a so is it a fraternity, integrity, harmony, or equality? So the answer is what? Answer is sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following types of climate area is not correct? So India la climate area to kundu correct no yuko cause semi arid steppe climate Punjab, monsoon with dry summer, Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. So kundu correct no semi arid steppe climate. Semi arid means desert area Punjab. So since Punjab to Thar desert ulup chui, so it is obvious that idu ulup desert type climate ho. So 1 is correct. Monsoon with dry summer. So Tamil Nadu the monsoon piteke with dry summer. So both 1 and 2 is correct climate. So not correct question. So neither 1 nor 2. Option number B is the correct answer. Next, question number 6. In which of the following years did Mahatma Gandhi propose the Wada scheme of education? So Wada scheme of education is it A 1937, 48, 42, or 32? The answer is what? Option number A 1937. Which of the following type of food additive is sodium benzoate? So the sodium benzoate is nutritional supplements, fat emulsifiers and stabilizing agents, antioxidants, or food preservatives? So the answer is what? Option number D, that is food preservatives. Next question. Question number 8. According to the census of India, what is the population percentage of scheduled tribes in India? So India like ST population ke manna jago. So is it a 9.3, 8.6, 9, 7.5 or 12.2? So answer is option number B, that is 8.6. Match the following: electric current, electric potential, capacitance or inductance. So kundu unit as a electric current. So electric current though it is ampere, that is ampere, that is 1. Next, potential difference. So potential difference will be volt. So number itu capacitance though it is farad, and inductance to Henry, that is 4. That is answer is D, C, B, A. So answer is option number C, that is 1D, 2C, 3B or 4A. Got it? Inductance to Henry as a, capacitance to farad as a, potential difference to volt as a, or electric current to ampere as a. Next question. Which of the following is not an objective under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana? So Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana under the kundu no hai. First, providing subsidies to use fertilizer, high yielding varieties and pesticides. Krishi guje anything related to farmer las there. So one to achieve convergence of investment in irrigation at the field level, to expand cultivable area under assured irrigation, and provide on-farm water use efficiency. So it is related to, in a option size it is related to water. So it will be as a pani, it will be under pani irrigation tinda be as a holy be idu. This is not the correct answer. That is nothing to do with fertilizer. That is option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Which amendment on in the Indian Constitution related to the extension of jurisdiction of High Courts to Union Territories? So Union Territories la power do High Court la power Union Territories there extend korla kuntu amendment there. Is it a 9th amendment, 7th amendment, 1st amendment or 13th amendment? Answer is option number B, that is 7th amendment. Question number 12. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Kiza. So Arctic Ocean or Pacific Ocean la mojde ekta line ekta je itu connect kore. So itu ki strait mante. Is it a Bering Strait, Polk Strait, Hudson or Bosporus Strait? So what is the answer? The answer is what? It is option number A, that is Bering Strait. Next, question number 13. The microliths used in early man were used by the early man during Kiza. The microliths to kundu age laze. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic or Chalcolithic. So answer is option number B, that is Mesolithic. Question number 14. Who of the following is the author of the book Deva Chandra Guptam? So Deva Chandra Guptam the kun author? Is it a Vashakatata, Harisena, Dandin or Shibhandu? The answer is option number A, that is Vashaka Dada. Next, question number 15. Which acid enters the bacteria that destroys the bacteria that enters the stomach? So kundu acid does it do man khasa man khatam de, for example harmful bacteria de do July de. Is it a nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, boric acid or uric acid? So the answer is what? Mana pet la bidore ekta acid de, that is hydrochloric acid HCl. It was not only bacteria do destroy करे but also food products to actually मन खाला तो digestion actually होले help करे. Next, question number 16. Which of the following is characterized by continuous precipitation? So continuous precipitation do kundu cloud te dige. Is it a cirrocumulus, cumulus, nimbostratus or cumulonimbus? The answer is what? Option number C, that is nimbostratus. Number 17. 2 home rule leagues were started in 1915 to 16 under the leadership of, so home rule league to duita shuru korshe kun la under the section. Is it A. N. Besant and Lokmanya Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Bose, or Aurobindo Ghosh. So home rule like to duida de shuru krishe. It is ek Pune or ekta Adyar under N. Besant and BG Tilak. That is option number A is the correct answer. So India la performance index to 176 is. So next, which of the following considered the direct source of information about the interior of the earth? So earth la bitor de mantle ase, core ase, so itula bitor de kina halchal ase de kina janoa. That is number 1, is it a volcanic eruption, meteors or earthquake? So volcanic eruption do idu earth la bitor de magma dakate idu ole, so it shows the interior of the earth. So number 1 be correct ase. Next, meteor do from outside the earth, means earth la bahar ba ay meteors do, so nothing to do with the interior of the earth. So option number 2 we can strike it out. It no. And earthquake we know because it is the tectonic activity laza, so it will be only 1, that is option number A. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question, which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group in the periodic table? So periodic table la nichi jadam de kundu note atomic radius, metallic character, valency or number of shells in the element. So the answer is what? Valency. Valency means number of electrons in the outermost shell. Which of the following rulers from the Gupta dynasty first assumed the title Maharaja Dhiraja? So first Gupta king Maharaja Dhiraja mati bole kon daise? Samudragupta, Chandragupta 2, Chandragupta 1 or Shrigupta? The answer is option number C, that is Chandragupta 1. Next, mascot of Paris Olympics to the Fairges is option number D. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the terms of office of the governor? So governor la office la term do kundu under this. Is it A 156, 161, 165 or 152? The answer is what? Option number A, 156. Next question, who has the authority to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India? So Supreme Court judges can increase power the kun ke dina je? Is it A, Chief Justice of India, Parliament of India, President of India or the Prime Minister of India? The answer is what? Parliament of India, option number B. Next, question number 25. An ionic bond is formed by Keze. Ionic bond, is it a attraction of oppositely charged ions? The combining atoms lose electrons, two metallic elements react, or sharing of electrons takes place? The answer is what? Option number A, that is attraction of oppositely charged ions. Match the following as a, that is bleaching powder, or column 1 or column 2 tana preparation as a bleaching powder. So bleaching powder to ki karne use kare? Bleaching powder is used for decolorization, baking soda do for anti-acid ke jole pet acidity use kule to bleaching baking soda khaile do bhalo je. Washing soda to ki karne use kare? For preparation of glass, and sodium chloride to ki use kule to sodium chloride to nimok aja for production of H2 and Cl2. So it will be A is 3, B is 4, C is 1 and D is 2. That is option number C is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 27. The old alluvial soil has a higher concentration of touch than the new alluvial soil. Old alluvial soil, for example, ido river jaise aru river ba ite mati kan deposit kore idu ki new alluvial soil kore. Aru ulup upor jabi jite idu purana kanto takan deposit ina takan thakibo, means purana idu river kamba ana purana soil ho, so idige all alluvial soil mate. So new alluvial soil do ki thake bishibak lava flows, sand particles, kankar nodules or small bricks. So lava flow to know because idu do black soil ka no, sand particles we know, sand particles the new thereby because deposition ba river ba ni sand particles to. Number C is the correct answer, that is kankar nodules. Next, question number 28. Which of the following article of the fundamental rights is available only to the citizen of India? Citizen of India garne kundu available as a, that is article 14, 21, 25 or 29. So the answer is what? Protection of cultural minorities. So according to the Constitution of India, Article 14 আছে আর Article 15 আছে, Article 16 আছে, 19, 29 আর 30 itu to kali exclusively Indian মানুহ কাৰণে আছে, আলাদা কাৰণে নহয়. So 29 আছে বলে তো option number D is the correct answer. Next question number 29. Consider the following statement with respect to convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall though it is common in regions that are intensely heated. It is mostly found in the temperate regions of the earth. So which of the following is correct? So convectional rainfall though bishubok it is gorom jagate bai. So only one is the correct answer. So gorom jagate bai the temperate regions to kitabi nabawa tropical areas de bo. So one is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 30. After which of the following events Sardar Patel was given the title of Sardar? So Sardar Patel Vallabhbhai Patel to take Sardar to kunba matise aro kundu incident hobe matise. That is Kheda Satyagraha, Dandi March, Bardoli Satyagraha or Champaran Satyagraha. The answer is what? Option number C, that is Bardoli Satyagraha. Bardoli Satyagraha bijite take title dishe aro to kunba dishe the woman of Bardoli ba take title dishe. Next question number 31. Which of the following is an animal tissue? Animal tissue to kunda is epithelial or muscular? Kunda is that is both are animal tissue. That is option number E is the correct answer. Next, the latest bank issued banknotes in denomination of rupees 50 by RBI has a motif of have what motif on their reverse side? So 50 rupees la paisa de itu green color de boys there. Blue color nisna de. So utate piche te ki aje kundu monument lagai na aje picture. Is it a red fort, Sanjay Subha Mangalan or stone chariot of Hampi? So the answer is option number D, that is stone chariot of Hampi. Question number 33. At which of the following Harappan sites sophisticated water conservation through drains and reservoirs and water harvesting was discovered? So kundu site te baisha. Is it a Dholavira, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal or Mehegra? Answer is what? Option number A, that is Dholavira. Question number 34. Which reign saw two decisive battles, that is the third battle of Panipat and battle of Boxer? So third battle of Panipat aro battle of Boxer do kunna time de paise Bahadur Shah 1, Shah Alam 1, Shah Alam 2 or Ahmed Shah? So kita kunna under it is Shah Alam 2. So third battle of Panipat te kita hoise to it is happened on 14th of January 1761 de aro third battle of Boxer it happened in 1764. So 1761 or 64 la time de kun reign korise Shah Alam 2. Next question. What type of inflation develops when supply costs increase or the amount decreases? Is it a cost push, cost pull, demand pull or demand push? The answer is what? Cost push inflation. Cost push inflation de ki ajukle to kita salary aro kiki kan rent kan uti jay then inflation to increase jay. Next question number 36. An object is dropped from a height onto the floor. Which one of the following remains uniform as it falls? For example, ekta ground ekta ball ekta over by garage. So utu over by garage kuntu uniform take. Is it a acceleration, momentum, kinetic energy or potential energy? The answer is what? Option number A, that is acceleration is remains the same. Next, first Buddhist council itu ajada satro la time de and kuti hoise. That is it happened at, is it A, option number 1 Rajgiriha, Vaishali, Pataliputra or Kashmir? So the answer is what? Rajgiriha. First the Rajgiriha dije, second the Vaishali dije, third the Pataliputra or fourth the Kashmir dije. Pataliputra to ajigli Patna bhi mate. Next question. Number 38. By the 42nd Amendment of 1976, as introduced by the Dutch, the chapter on fundamental duties was incorporated into the Constitution. So, kuntu committee la under the fundamental duties to 42nd Amendment by insert question under Article 51A. So, that is under, is it a Shah Nawaz, Shanchar, Swaran Singh or Balwan Rai Mehta committee? The answer is Swaran Singh committee. That's the answer though. Next question. Question number 39. Who are the leaders of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association (NSSRE) under the Congo Nation? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jatin Das or Ajay Ghosh? So HSRE de Subhash Chandra Bose to thakane. He was not a member. He was not an extremist. He was not a revolutionary. He was an extremist but not a revolutionary. So Bhagat Singh, Jatin Das or Ajay Ghosh to the that is 1, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. So answer number B is the correct answer. Next, question number 40. According to the Indian Constitution, which pair of article provision is correct? Article 54, election to the president. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. So which one is correct? So both 1 and 2 is correct. 17, the abolition of untouchability, or election of president, article 54 division. So both 1 and 2 is correct. Next, question number 41. Which of the following is not borrowed by the Indian Constitution from the Canadian Constitution? So kundu constitution to mon Canada Constitution ba anane. Is it a federal system with strong center? It is under Canadian Constitution. Appointment of state governor by center. It is a Canadian Constitution by inspiration. Advisory education of Supreme Court ase. Nomination of members of Rajya Sabha itu under Irish Constitution by. So number D is the correct answer. Next, question number 42. Consider the following statement calling the following provisions under the DPSP as enshrined in the Constitution of India. Promotion of cottage industry, equal justice and free legal aid, securing the right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Which of the following are the socialist principles that are reflected in the socialist principle of state policy? So DPSP de socialistic principle as a Gandhian principle can be as a. So socialistic principle the kundu as a. That is promotion of cottage industry. Idu to Gandhi la as Gandhi la philosophy as a. Free and legal aid be idu Gandhi la as a. Liberalistic la as a. Socialistic la do number free and equal justice and free legal aid idu under socialist sorry. Or securing the right to work to it will be socialist. So 2 and 3 is correct. So answer is option number D. Number 1 the killing the promotion of cottage industry it is under Gandhian principles. So 2 and 3 the correct answer. So answer is option number D. Next, which state in India received the largest number of immigrants as per the 2011 census? So largest number of immigrants to kundu state te bishay. Is it a Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal or Uttar Pradesh? The answer is option number B, that is Maharashtra. Next, which of the following is not a tribal movement? Tribal movement to kundu ne Fakir and Sannyasi rebellion, BL movement, Jandi and Garo rebellion or coal uprising? So answer A, that is Fakir and Sannyasi though, not a tribal. Baki to sub tribal laza. Next question. Question number 45. Alkenes and alkenes is a combination of which of the following elements? So alkenes are alkenes to nitrogen or oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and carbon and hydrogen. So alkenes to CH4, C2, H4 itu sab to as a methane, ethane, propane, butane itu sab to alkenes kan as a which contains C, that is carbon or hydrogen. That is option number D is the correct answer. Next question. By which erosional agent is cirque land formed? Cirque land do keep form. Is it a river, wind, glacier or wave? So the answer is what? Option number C, that is glacier. Next, wetlands or steppe to match the following group as a Bhitar Kanika mangroves Odisha, Rupar Haryana, Bhoj Madhya Pradesh, Loktak Manipur. So 4 do correct as a form this 4 do to edu jawa alakando sabi Bhoj to Madhya Pradesh as Rupar do itu Punjab des. So wrong as 2 do wrong as so 2 itu cancel kore, so it will be 1, 3 and 4. Next, which of the following organization below boycotted the Simon Commission? The Simon Commission to kunba boycott korse? Indian National Congress sector as Hindu Mahasabha, Justice Party, Madras, both 1 and 2. So Simon Commission do Justice Party ba boycott korna. It was boycotted by the Indian National Congress around Hindu Mahasabha. A and B said that is both 1 and 2. Both A and B or both 1 and 2. Next, question number 49. Which among the following statement is incorrect? Kundu correct no. Cell wall is present in animals. itu wrong aja because cell wall to kali plants aja. Next, and the last and the final question for today is, in the first phase of the Green Revolution, the use of high-yielding varieties was restricted to a more affluent of which group of state? So high-yielding varieties to Kundu state the first Bishibar use kurja. Is it a Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh? So the answer is what? Punjab to Thegula is because Punjab is one of the states to high yielding varieties of Green Revolution of which profit or benefit by the Tamil Nadu big does it and Andhra Pradesh. So the answer is option number C. It is Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So with this the video is come to an end. I hope you have understood something and I wish you the very best for exam. So thank you.